Stop. Not clear. Clear in 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, I did that too fast. Jesus Christ.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Holy shit, bro. It's still flooded. I was saying, do you want to take this trail? Sean's got the idea.
Probably been looking for fish.
God damn. Oh shit.
Well, that didn't take long.
I thought that was gonna happen.
Go right, Brayden.
Go, yeah.
Go right.
I don't think so. We're gonna be riding through a little bit of water.
I have to walk.
You don't think you can make it through that?
On the backside of it.
Oh, it's real muddy. Well, I rode through it. Not too shabby. Oh, that's scary.
I'd want left, but that looks muddy.
Not more muddy than what I just rode through.
Go for it, man. 'Cause I know mine has to.
It's not as bad as it looks.
I'll say we had some pretty warm sunlight.
Yeah.
Dried most of the ground up.
It is still wild.
I can't believe it flooded so much. Like we got so much rain.
It stopped for like a month. Look at all the leaves, like taped on shit.
Yeah. It's still so high.
Hey, you see islands down there.
kayak in the water.
Why is it tornado?
Good. God. I party safe. I've never read that before.
Did they get you with the bridge collapse?
Huh? Oh, yeah, yeah. Devin sent it to me. He's like, bro. And I was like, no way. He's like, yeah, dude, it's fake. He's like, it got my ass too, don't worry.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Well, that's pretty muddy.
Well,
Yeah. Turn around. Oh, oh, you almost had it.
almost.
Some of us ain't ambidextrous.
I remember.
Hey, that's why when you first start riding, you learn to ride both ways. God damn!
I didn't have enough speed for that tiny little bump.
Oh, this is weird. I haven't ridden backwards in a while.
If you identify as a woman, that means it ain't gay, right?
Oh, that's great. I don't know.
Can't argue with that logic.
I'm pretty sure that's how it is. So if she ever identified as a guy, that would mean that I'm gay. So
But that also means you're gay, so
that would make me gay.
Yeah.
Then she'd be gay.
you'd both be gay.
If I identify as a female, that makes her lesbian.
I think
By that same logic.
we'd still both be gay.
Well, lesbian is not the same thing.
Hey, there's like aim.
Oh my god!
Don't fall,
Dude,
He said, "Oh my god,
he jumped. That was wild.
we cannot go the rest of the way."
We cannot? I thought we ridden up there before.
That was before they built that.
Oh, I don't even remember that not being there. Okay.
Well, it used to just be a rundown pump house, but now it's actually a restaurant.
Oh.
Yeah.
What kind of restaurant?
Beer and burgers mostly, I think.
So basically a bar.
Yeah. It's a brewery.
Oh. Oh, those look fun to ride across. I don't know. I'll go find out. That looks interesting. Oh shit. Oh, dude. Oh. Somebody lives down there. Yeah, there's a mattress down there.
Man.
Somebody lived down there until the flood.
For sure, for sure. Clean too. I had a shower yesterday.
Yeah, that's pretty clean.
Damn right. I'm gonna hit the hot tub tonight. I'm gonna be extra clean.
You're gonna be Mr. Clean.
I ain't going wrong.
How does that commercial go?
I don't remember after that.
Mr. Clean gets rid of dirt and grime and grease in just a minute. Mr. Clean will clean your whole house and everything that's in it. Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean.
Hefty, hefty, hefty. I know, but that's what I thought about. The Family Guy episode when Peter's like, Meg, wimpy, 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 and then hefty, hefty, hefty.
I don't remember that.
You don't? I'm pretty sure it was a commercial.
Where-ish.
Dad, that's a garbage bag. Don't you mean a condom?
Meg. Hefty, hefty, hefty. Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy.
It was in the opening. You didn't see it.
What was it?
Okay.
Oh.
You don't usually see them until they start flying away.
Hawaii.
Are you recording? Did you fail this whole time?
No, it just beeped though.
What does that mean?
Oh, it stopped recording and started recording on another clip because we reached such a mad time limit. That's cool. So that way it doesn't make one file too big. Did you find a 4-leaf clover? Ah. How do you spot them like that?
I don't know. I haven't found it in a while.
You ever watch Boondocks? Anime cartoon?
Huh? Boondocks?
Boondocks with the two little black kids, twins, Huey and Louie?
No. I don't think I've ever even heard of that.
Dewey? What was his name? Anyway, one of them always, Nicky, you gay.
Oh yeah.
Nigga, you gay. You gay. Y'all niggas are gay. Nigga, you gay. That's gay.
Is that a fucking bald eagle? Dude,
What is it?
the bald eagle, bro.
Oh
Is he
shit.
gonna get himself a goose? Holy fucking fuck.
Get it, break wheels!
I just rode over it.
That's alright, I'm about dead anyway.
Yeah. Just time as any.
Half her way! Why did you go that
I know.
dummy?
Is he sitting on that log over there?
He is now.
I gotta see if I can zoom in on my phone. You want? Oh, dude, hold this. Hold this.
Don't make too much noise.
No.
Oh, yours is way better than mine.
I have 15 times zoom.
Well, you could try to sneak up over there, but you're gonna have to knock this bird to pieces.
I mean, you saw how quick he flew away just coming around the corner.
I think he might actually have something. Maybe.
Yeah,
He is.
he's got something.
You guys should be able to see that far.
He's taking it to his nest out there.
The fact I'm still on him, I lost him. Oh shit, I lost him.
How's that thing going?
I've ripped like 23 mile an hour down this trail, bro.
That's scary. Them potholes come out of nowhere.
That's why you look down.
Imagine how much faster it goes that bank. Just ride that fucking nose.
Dude, he fucking full sent off the curb the other day, not knowing there was a curb there. I was like, bro, how did you not do that?
I don't remember what I was doing. I think I was looking at you.
You were looking forward. I was watching you the whole time. I was like, damn, he's really sending it. I gotta watch this.
I ended up just going down just like this, damn near straight leg.
Yeah.
And, oh, I landed that. All right, we're cool. Full feather on surprises.
Scared the hell out of me. I can't carry you back home.
You fucking better. I'd carry your fucking ass home with your wheel and my wheel on the other side. Piggyback bitches. See that crane still nailed. Hey.
Oh shit, bro.
Oh, you
It's still there, it's still there. I videoed that too.
nice.
It's over there.
Crane! Crane!
What?
So have you given any thought to the helmet?
Thought to the helmet.
Helmet with the microphone?
Oh, I mean, this should work just fine.
Oh. If that doesn't work, what's your next plan?
I don't know. I don't got money to buy anything else right now, so.
I have a motorcycle helmet that's available if you would like to try it. Also have a dirt bike helmet. If
I
you'd
don't-
like to try that.
I don't like helmets, though.
It could be your signature shit. I'm about to do dumb shit.
I'm-
I'm wearing a helmet.
I'll probably only wear a helmet if I rode a motorcycle. I don't think the one wheel's that crazy. EUCs, where I'm gonna fall face first and hit my head, yeah. But when I'm on the one wheel where I can tumble and roll, I think I'm good.
Yeah, you think that until it comes out of nowhere. Ask me how I know.
You guys don't wear helmets.
I'm a
You guys don't
fucking
wear
adult,
helmets.
You're 12. You see on the one wheel Reddit all the time, like, oh yeah, I'll never not wear a helmet again, and all my gear, I got broken clavicle and shit.
Yeah, because they're sending it 30 mile an hour like Gage did. I push it, but I ain't gonna push it that much. And I haven't pushed it that much since I hit my 25 mile an hour. I was satisfied.
I'll have you know I may not wear one, but I feel like I should.
You're jumping shit, you probably should. You're advertising, you should probably should.
But then I'm just gonna take it right back off after, and that's just gonna piss me off.
Right? Just throwing it out there. You're only 12.
I've
you got your
thought-
whole life in front of you.
The brain is important.
It is, but I just, yeah.
Go back out that way?
I've,
We're going that way.
I said we should take it a different way back home.
Roll take that way.
I did hear a scream too.
Wayne?
Really?
Wayne.
Why does it always smell so good?
I know, right?
Ha ha! It just tastes so damn good.
Oh! Yeah, I don't think I hit the camera though. It is.
Is it still working?
Yeah, it's recording.
Wheels! We caught up. Should do a rear view mirror, Bubba. That looks like a gauntlet right there, Brady.
Huh?
Wheels! Get your back.
Oh, what?
Oh, it looks like your tires.
Yeah, I checked it yesterday and it was good though. Yeah. It might be running a little low.
That was what I was thinking. You do a 180 off of that.
Dude, I can't do that. Yeah, it's low. It wasn't that low yesterday, so I definitely think there's a leak in my tire. Nice one. That was a clean one though. You got the backup good. That was great. You're getting the hang of it. I still mess up. I think I'm cold.
Uh-oh. That thing.
The thing. Damn.
You go, girl.
Girl power. Balk it.
Keep me on the board.
No, the hooks are there so you can easily do dumb shit. So, yeah. Speed bumps. Is that a drop? We had the same idea. Holy shit. I want to bonk over every single one of those. That'd be a lot of bonks though. Or not bonk, but nudge.
Is that safe next to glass?
Oh, dude, I can just picture freaking falling into the building.
Yeah, these things are heavy. It wouldn't take it lightly.
I think you might have to do that one again. You had that camera behind you, missed the whole jump.
Sometimes it looks cooler in the front, sometimes it looks cooler behind. I don't know.
I need 2 men on this. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
That's what he said.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's my life.
God damn it. No.
That was definitely a he said moment.
Ow.
After you, Mr. Zoomies.
Good job.
Sure. As long as it's legal.
Holy crap.
What's wrong? You get hard of it?
No, my legs are shaking.
Because you ain't wearing no pants.
I know. I have another pair of pants, but it wasn't that cold. It wasn't that cold at first, okay?
What is up, guys? So I need to make this short and sweet. I just got done editing this video right here. Just a couple things I wanted to say. This is probably going to be my longest video I've made so far. It was about an hour worth of footage all in all that I've cut down to about, it's probably maybe about 28, 29 minutes because I still got a couple clips that I've got to put in from my phone that I have been having trouble with. So I'm going to figure that out before I'm done. But I have spent about 5 hours on this video, and the Braden Wheels is Back video, I spent about 6 hours on it. It's been really fun editing these videos. I've been really enjoying it. I have been working for almost a week now. Like I said, today is, I'm pretty sure I'll still be able to make videos while I'm working. Hopefully keep the same schedule, hopefully. But if not, like I said, it'll just have to change. But like I said, I need to keep this short and sweet. I've already been talking too much. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do all that good stuff you need to do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.